Levi Mitchell was arrested back in 2024 during a traffic stop on I-40 in Canadian County.
A canine led deputies to 19 pounds of fentanyl. News 4's Sydney Batzloff joining us live from the courthouse. So, Sydney, what sentence did the judge hand down today?
Kevin, Heather, Levi Mitchell was in court this time with an attorney, hoping the judge would show some leniency. However, things did not go in Mitchell's favor. The judge ultimately agreed with the jury, giving Mitchell a 40-year sentence to prison. A little over a month ago, Levi Mitchell chose to represent himself during his multi-day drug trafficking trial, saying he was dissatisfied with previous counsel.
I'm not doing this out of arrogance. I didn't fight my own fight because I felt like I was smarter in the system or I was better or anything along those lines. I fought a good fight to show others that they need to do the same.
After less than 20 minutes of deliberating, the jury came back with a verdict of guilty. In 2024, Mitchell was arrested during a traffic stop on I-40 in Canadian County. A canine led deputies to 19 pounds of fentanyl. Mitchell claims he wasn't aware of any fentanyl in his rental car. Tuesday, Mitchell returned to court for sentencing, this time represented by an attorney, asking the judge for a lesser sentence, arguing Mitchell has never been involved in criminal activity. His family also took the stand, describing his character and promising to give him a home and support him if he were given the chance to return to the community. Mitchell also addressed the court, saying he was not a drug trafficker and asking the judge to consider what he went through and explaining why he fought for himself. Ultimately, the judge agreed with the state and the jury, sentencing Mitchell to 40 years in prison. Mitchell was unhappy with the sentencing. The judge advised Mitchell of his right to appeal within 10 days. The hearing ended tensely as Mitchell was given paperwork. He refused to sign them and became argumentative. Law enforcement had to escort him out of the courtroom. Now, after court, we did try to talk with Mitchell's attorney along with his family members. However, they did not want to speak. We also tried to talk with the state. They also did not want to talk. Live in Canadian County, Sydney Batzloff, Oklahoma's News 4.
All right.